Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things today. Now I'm gonna make some avocado smoothie or shake, however you want to call it guys. And I'm gonna use some frozen avocado right there. And I have one right here guys, but this need to be ripened a little bit more. So I'm gonna use the frozen one right here. It's so much easier. And I have one ripe banana cut, and I'm gonna put some spinach in it and one squirt or squeeze of organic flaxseed oil, and I'm gonna use some almond milk. All right, let's get blending. This one, it's a good detox smoothie, good for weight loss, control a lot of things. It's gonna detoxify your body, it's gonna clean you, and it's gonna build you. Lots of health benefits right in this avocado. All right guys, research it. All right guys, let's get blending. Really healthy, good for breakfast, good for lunch, dinner, whenever and however. All right, I'm gonna add everything all at once. I'm gonna add my avocado. Ooh. I'm not wasting any, taking up those two. And I'm gonna add one ripe banana, and I'm gonna add some spinach, just a handful. I'm gonna add a squirt or a teaspoon of flaxseed oil. There you go, so about a teaspoon. And now I'm gonna add some almond milk. I put this in the freezer for about half an hour to an hour so it can have some little bit of ice in it. There you go. Ooh, and I'm gonna use a cup. That will do. And there it is guys, it has somewhat ice on it, so I'm gonna blend this bad boy. All right, if you want a little bit more sweetness to it, add about a teaspoon of honey if you want. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna blend it until it's really creamy and smooth. And that's it right there guys. I'm gonna serve up some now. All right guys, we're gonna pour some of this out. Ooh. Can you see the difference guys? When you freeze the fruits, you get it more thicker. Ooh, look at that guys, look at that goodness. Ooh, yes, it comes out way better. Look at my shake, my avocado shake or smoothie, however you want to call it. All right, we're gonna pour some in. Wow, look at that guys. Oh yes. Oh yes, a little bit more. There you go guys. Oh my, it tastes so good guys, it tastes like heaven. And my peeps, this is the final result. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, yes guys, I taste a little bit from the container. It's heaven, packed with lots of health benefits guys. Yes, check it out. Just wake up in the morning, make a smoothie, and off you go. Off to work, off to play, off to take care of your kids, off for fun time, and just to relax your body. Lots of health benefits. If you continue to take all these smoothie guys, no problem, you will lose weight fast, help to control your diabetes, cholesterol, blood pressure, and all of that. Help to fight cancer cells. Avocado is good at fighting cancer. Lots of nutritional value in this avocado juice here, guys. Look at it. Yes, yes. Look how creamy, or shake, however you want to call it. Delicious and nice. All right, guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Put God first.